Hello, this is the installation part for ProAlbum-Designer. When you buy the software, you will be given a download link where you will find a zip file. Please find the zip file with the largest version number. Currently it's 4.0.2. Download this, and on a Macintosh this zip file will unzip automatically. Then start Photoshop. If you're on a Windows machine, you might need to start Photoshop as administrator, because the installation will put certain files in the Photoshop folders. Then go into Photoshop and do File, Scripts, Browse. Find the install.jsx file in your unzipped archive. Click on Install, click on Continue, and click on OK. The installation program will automatically open up the new action file. Me personally, I like to put this up at the top, and then go into button mode, and you will have these nice colorful buttons. To activate the software, click on the About button and enter your activation code. It will say unlocked. Now you need to restart Photoshop. And if you had Bridge running, you need to restart Bridge. I'm just starting up Bridge here. And in Bridge, you might want to check with Command K or Control K, which will launch preferences. Look at startup scripts and make sure you have pad add here, and that is checked. And we'll just make a simple test to see everything is working. ProAlbum-Designer, make albums red. We'll pick this template here. And everything's to be working fine. So please look at the other videos for more details on the individual buttons here.